Isay ko, dito ka lang. Isay, sige, move ako ka pa konti to. Maximize natin yung show ring. Where is TBC Gold? Okay, move ka na konti. Yan. Where is Playboy? And last but not the least, our Lana Rhodes here. Ayan, sakto tayo sa show ring. Okay. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen, for the Battle of Praise.
Everyone, listen up, please. I've already checked your dogs individually. Each dog has won a specific class for the best of breed. Again, like I said earlier, this is a dog show. So, you all are going to go one time individually. When the first young man starts to go, everyone please just move up. When you move up, allow your dogs to rest. Don't stack the dogs until they get to walking and all dogs have completed their cycle. So again, when the first gentleman takes off, everyone just go up and let your dog rest and let the dogs do the talk. We're going to see who work with their dogs. Showtime, baby.
Oh, showtime na nga! Sabi ng ating judge, so again, one by one. Okay, one by one lang tayo. Pagka do the gating, automatic, move forward, wag agad susunod. Okay, one by one tayo, each. Okay, so get ready! It's showtime! Let's go! We have here Tatanga. And now we have here Bingo. Next we have Kisai. Next, we have TBC Gold.
Let's go,
And then, stop.
Let's go, guys!
After the gating, you have to stop. And then, stop. Good. Next, we have Lana Rhodes. And stop.
Nice one!
Okay, good. And ladies and gentlemen, this is the main event of this evening. So please, let's give a round of applause to everyone. We have here Tatanka, Bingo, Design, TBC Gold, Playboy, and Lana Rhodes. And the winner for the best of breed goes to... Oh my goodness, and a showtime from our judge.